Hi everyone, this is Honest Human Dad, founder of Tangz, here with an example video for how to use the Tangz native app. Now, this is going to occur in the simulator. We're undergoing App Store review processes for both iOS and Android, but this should be available as a native app in your App Store. It used to be named Cardano NFTs, so if you have that app, when you turn on auto upgrade, we'll get this new version. If you haven't seen the previous video on how to link your wallet using the website, please do that. And you can do that from your laptop, desktop, or if you're using Vesper or Flint, you can use your mobile dApp browser. All right, let's jump in. So you'll see here in my simulator that I have the Tangz app on my homepage. So I'm going to click this, and again, we're presented with the familiar please log in before accessing this. So anytime we try to go to any of the pages, it really wants us to log in. So I'm going to continue, and you'll remember on the last video, we set up support@wildtangs.com, so I no longer need to sign up again. I can just simply sign in from mobile. And when I do that, you'll see that it's refreshing my portfolio, and it has that same portfolio value from before. Right? So it had cached an old version of this application that I had been using in another account, and now it's loaded this app fresh. And if you scroll down to refresh, you'll get the latest data. So the portfolio widget comes to you with all of your linked wallets. And just to confirm that, you can look in settings, and you have that same wallet views where you can see my NAMI and my eternal address have been linked here. Same type of view as your laptop, just in this access tab, you get to see what you have token gated access to. And then under each category, it will tell you why you have access to that. So for here, I have 2 Tangz Series 2. Now this policy, as I said, is going to change once we launch Series 2. But anyone who has 2 Tangz Series 2 will have access to the NFT viewer widget. Anyone who has 3 Tangz Series 2 will have access to the portfolio widget. And anyone who has 1 Tangz Series 2 has access to the application dashboard. Okay. So then if I go back to the home page and I can see all my NFTs, I can also click over to the tab that has tokens. The tokens tab here looks very familiar, like we saw on laptop. It just has all of the tokens in both of my wallets and combines them based on the token name. And last but not least, we would love to be able to support Mint on mobile, but there are no wallets that are available natively. So you'll have to do that either from Vesper or from Flint Mobile, or you can do that from your laptop or desktop. And I want to show you that mobile actually is great and supports light mode and dark mode. So you can see here in the simulator, we're switching between light mode and dark mode, but you should be able to see your portfolio widgets from either place, or your portfolio information from either place. All right, so I'm glad we've covered that in this tutorial. Our next tutorial is going to focus on how to add widgets to your home screen.